Hi, Pat here. I got a Sony 8-track player model TC228. They made these around 1972. It's in really good shape. Everything looks good on it. The case looks good on it. But before I power it up, I'm going to take a look at the inside. I got the cover off and the belt's gone. It turned the tire. I did plug in and the motor does spin, but wasn't getting any lights on these, which are looks like they should be easy to get to. So I'm going to start tearing this thing down, clean this up, and making sure it gets well oiled and greased, and see if I can find a belt for it. It took me a while to get the old belt cleaned off there. I couldn't scrape it off. Alcohol didn't help. Ended up using some acetone, and I took it off. Then I just put tape in, let this thing spin. Got a little piece of Scotch-Brite, and just cleaned that up nicely. And I just put a skinny little belt on there for now. Put a little Scotch-Brite on here, and I'll just let it run across there. It's a slow process, but it'll clean all that and smooth it out nicely. I got a new belt on there. Put tape in. And it is playing. That was on track 4. That light comes on. Slow. Here it goes. Might need to clean that switch that does that. And I still have no lights down here. I got in here, and there's the cam for moving the playhead around, and underneath there's the switch for the lights. So I cleaned the grease off that, sprayed some cleaner in there, and that should fix that problem. Well, it turned out these meter lights only comes on when I'm in record. Right now it's in play, and they don't come on. Let's put in record, they come on. I did go ahead and replace those with an LED. I got a dropping resistor in there. I think I used 820 ohms. And I'll get that back inside there. I got it all back together, and it's sounding good. Why so cool? And I'm host the show. So you gotta have me go with you. This deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.